This is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about Camtasia video editing software. And in this video, I will show you some of amazing new features in Camtasia 2026. Let me show you. So just like what you see on the screen right here, you can also navigate to the toolbar right here and click on what is new, and then Camtasia is going to show you everything that is new. However, I'm going to show you one after the other right here in this video, so you can see we have a new recording tab right here, and you have a new tab for project, you have a new tab for open project, you have a new tab for capture image, which allow you to screenshot, and then you have a generative AI script right here where you can easily make use of AI to generate anything you want as far as this particular new feature is concerned. So let's go ahead and test the new project tab right here. So it's going to reload and take you to Camtasia workspace. So you can see this is Camtasia 2026, just like what you see right here. So allow everything to load up, and let's take a look at the interface of Camtasia video editing 2026. So here you go. You have the interface of Camtasia video editing 2026. Let's take a look at the project settings. So if I right click on my workspace right here and I come to project settings, so we're going to see some of the new things right here, and I decide to go ahead and I click on here. Then under the different resolution has been fully added right here. You can see right here there are AD, SD, HD, FHD, and these are just new different resolution and different frame rate that has been added in Camtasia. So the more you hover your mouse, the more the preview is going to change, just like what you see right here. You have small, which is 600 by 75, 600 by 750. You have another one 4:5, which is large, 1080 by 30. So you have different resolution right here. Then you also still have custom button right here as far as this new project canvas dimension is concerned in Camtasia video editing software. So that is a new thing right here. Okay, so I'm going to click on that right here. So let's take a look at some of the tools right here in the toolbar. So I'm going to navigate to my library right here. So under the library, we have a lot. So under the library tab right here now, you can have your image, video, audio, text, and callout. So you can also import more library right here. So here you have Camtasia Assets, which allow you to download assets from the internet. Here you have your import tab. Here you can import your audio, recording, video, images, or PDF as it would be. Now let's go ahead and navigate to annotation right here. So under the annotation, you have different features right here. You have some of the text that have outline color, just like what you see right there. And let's move to the next one right there, which is different types of arrows now. And then we see have some of basic shapes, and then you still have your blur and highlight. Then you have your sketch motion, and you have a new stroke callout right here. So let's take a look at the visual effects. So under the visual effects, what are the things Camtasia recently added? So if I scroll down right here, we have CRT monitor. Then you have a new tab for corner rounding. If I scroll down right here, you see more new stuff right here. Okay, so we have so many new features right there. So you have here, this is a tiling, static noise, and then you have a remove a color now in Camtasia 2026 as far as visual effect is concerned. Then here you have turn page effect, and you have vintage effect. So let's take a look at the filters option. So under the filters, you have a lot filter preset right here on the Camtasia video editing. Let's take a look at the transition tab right here. Go ahead and click on my transition tab. So under the transition tab, we have a lot of new transition you can use right now in Camtasia video editing 2026. You can see all these are new added effects right here. You can see a lot are being added right here under the transition. So you can come to the top right here. We can decide to check by different name, such as wipes. So it's going to give us only wipes options. That's like what you see right here. You have different types of wipes option for transition. We decide to choose faders. So we have different things that have been added so far as faded is concerned in transition. Then we go back to all. This will give us all transition available in Camtasia. Let's take a look at animations right here. We have pan and zoom. So under the animation, you have some stuff that has been added. This one right there, no opacity, is a new Camtasia video editing. So we can go on and on, click on behavior. You have some new stuff right here. Okay, then go ahead and click on more. You have cursor effect, audio effect, and voice narration and caption right here. Let's take a look at the edit tab from the top. I click on edit tab and I come down to preferences right here. So you have some stuff right here. So here you have your timing right here, you have partners, then you have shortcuts. So it has been fully arranged. You have project tab right here, and then here you can as well click on canvas dimension. Here you can set your custom dimension or pre-template dimension can be chosen from these sections right here. Okay, so that is for that. Then we go to advanced tab right here. So under the advanced tab, you click on here. Now you have different options for graphics card dedicated for your Camtasia video editing software. So you can use recommended, or better still, you can use your preferred graphics card options right here. This is depends on which one is actually work for you in your Camtasia rendering and editing workflow. It's that simple. And go on and explore different things as far as different new features in Camtasia video editing software is concerned. So if I come back to more right here and I decide to click on cursor effect, you have new different types of cursor effect right here, just like what you see. So this has been newly added. This one is also newly added right here. So if I come back right here and I decide to click on audio effect, so let's find out what is actually new right here. Now this audio compression here is a new feature, and emphasis is also a new feature that has been added in Camtasia video editing software. Let's go back to see more right here, and here we have voice narration, and then more again, we go back to captions. So under the caption now, we have different templates that you can select when you use caption. See, we have this one right here. These are different captions that you can use now in Camtasia video editing software. You can also generate caption with AI using your Camtasia video editing. So this is another captions right here. So these are all fantastic new features that has been added in Camtasia video editing software. If you really want to know more about Camtasia video editing software, consider to subscribe. This is what I have for you as far as new features in Camtasia video editing software 2026 is concerned. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.